part 265, line 22f1e2b PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And here's a picture of a rocket. And it's the PSLV C8 variant carrying the AGILE X-ray and Y-ray astronomical satellite of the ASI lifting off from Sriharikota. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. So I looked up the PSLV to find out what it meant. So the PSLV has 4 stages using solid and liquid propulsion systems alternatively. The first stage is one of the largest solid fuel rocket boosters in the world and carries 138 tons of hydroxyl terminated polybutene, sorry, I don't know how to say it, HTPB, bound propellant with a diameter of 2.8 meters. The motor case is made of miraging steel. The booster develops a maximum thrust of about 4430 kN. 6 strap-on motors, 4 of which are ignited on the ground, augment the first stage thrust. Each of these solid propellant strap-on motors carry 9 tons of HTPB propellant and produce a 677 kN thrust. Pitch and yaw control of the PSLV during the thrust phase of the solid motor is achieved by injection of an aqueous solution of strontium percolate in the nozzle to constitute secondary injection thrust vector control system, SITVC. The injection is stored in 2 cylindrical aluminum tanks strapped to the solid rocket motor and pressurized with nitrogen. There are 2 additional small engine controlled power plants in the first stage. The roll control thrusters, RCT, fixed radially opposite, one on each side between the triplet set of strap-on boosters. RCT is used for roll control during the first stage, and the SITVC and 2 strap-on motors is for roll control augmentation. The second stage employs the Vicus engine and carries 41.5 tons, 40 tons till C5 mission of liquid propellant, unsymmetrical dimethylhydrazine, UDMH, as fuel and nitrogen tetroxide, N2O4, as oxidizer. It generates a maximum thrust of 800 kN 724 till C5 mission. Pitch and yaw control is obtained by hydraulically gimbaled engine ±4 degrees and 2 hot gas reaction controls for roll. The third stage uses 7 tons of HTPB based solid propellant and produces a maximum thrust of 324 kN. It has a Calvar polyamide fiber case and a submerged nozzle equipment with a flex-bearing seal gimbalzed nozzle of ±2 degrees. Thrust vector engine for pitch and yaw control. For roll control uses the RCS, reaction control system of 4th stage. The 4th and the terminal stage of the PSLV has a twin engine configuration and using liquid propellant, with a propellant loading of 2 tons monomethylhydrazine as fuel, plus mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. Each of these engines generate a maximum thrust of 7.4 kN. The engine is gimbaled at ±3 degrees for pitch, yaw, and roll control, and for control during the coast phase uses on-off RCS. PSLV C4 used a new lightweight carbon composite payload adapter to enable a greater GTO payload capability. PSLV is developed with a group of wide-range control units. Okay, so that's the end of that video, and I still have to research lines 22f1a all the way to f1g, or f1fg, sorry. So that's well, I've got all the data, I just have to sort it out, and so hopefully I'll get this uploaded again. I'm having trouble on YouTube trying to get the videos up. It's being a pain in the butt. So anyways, this is all the videos I got to do still. All those and all those and all those. I still haven't done all the data. I just have the numbers and then I have to research the data. Okay, so this is going to take a little while, longer than I thought. Okay, well, thanks for watching.